What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Itsyourgirltam, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the perfect, well, not perfect because I'm not perfect, okay, just to put it out there, but kind of like a holiday glam that you could do for the upcoming holidays. Of course, we know Christmas, who isn't excited, okay? But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys, or sharing with you guys rather, the best holiday glam makeup. And if you guys want to keep on watching, that's all up to you. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so I already prepped my skin, and we're just gonna be doing like a whole holiday glam makeup. I'll put pictures up on the side for you guys. So what I'm going to be starting with is my foundation. So I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid shade NC43.5. I'm just going to apply some on my face. Obviously, I don't use a lot of foundation. Who is this girl now? Like, I normally never used to use foundation. You guys know if you watch my channel. I always use concealer for everything. But now I think I just want that like more full coverage look, because obviously I have still a bit more marks than usual. My marks are going away, I'm happy about that, but they're still peeking through, and the concealer doesn't help at some points. I'm gonna pour some onto my hand.
Hello?
About that much, and I'm just gonna apply it on my face. I'm not gonna use much. Okay, we're just gonna use this amount. That's fine with me, because obviously I'm still gonna go ahead with some concealer. You know, we have to use we have to use concealer in this room. Okay, we have to. It's a must. Okay. So if you guys see me looking over here, my mirror's just there, so don't mind. Okay, so I'm gonna use this blender. It's really soft. Like, I just dampened it now, and it's like really squishy. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this foundation. The sponge is really soft, like everything is just sinking into my skin and just like blending so good. Oh my god, I love. As you guys can see, like most of it is covered on the side, and it's like my perfect color, so kind of dried, but I'm gonna blend it. Okay, this light is bright AF. Now that we're covered and my blender looks completely disgusting and crusty, I'm gonna apply some concealer. Okay, so I just got a brush and I'm using this LA Girl Pro Contour Cream Contour, and there's like just like a concealer color in there, and then there's a contour in there. I'm gonna use both. I'm using this, let me do those, that, you know, those professional thingies that the influencers do, makeup artists. Like, I'm using a concealer brush. As you guys can see, it doesn't have a name on it. I just know it's from Huda Beauty or something like that. And I'm gonna take the concealer in here and pack it under my eye. Obviously I want the lifted effect, so we're gonna lift. Okay, we're gonna lift, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and lift. And I'm just gonna conceal any dark spots that I have. Obviously this huge pimple, and wherever I want to highlight, which probably is the high points of my face, but yeah. Okay, now we're gonna get our blender and blend the shit out of this. Okay. Okay, that concealer is really pretty. And it like covered up most of my dark circles. As you guys can see, like this looks more lifted than this. I do look like okay, but it'll come together eventually. And the next side. It's already brightening. Oh my god, I love. As much as I'm practicing, I'm beginning to, notice what I like and what I don't like about makeup. So, obviously, I try my best to do my makeup as professional as I can, but obviously we all have our different techniques and how we want to do it, and obviously I have my own different techniques. So, this is how I normally do my makeup, and I like it. Okay, so it's getting somewhere. I like it, so I guess that's what we stick with. Okay, then I'm gonna grab the same concealer brush and I'm going to apply some contour. It's a very dark color. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll just swatch it. My hand, yeah, it's fairly dark, but once we blend it out, it'll look really nice. Plus it's cream contour, so I'm just gonna contour the like under parts of my cheekbones. I'm gonna bring it up, not like right here, just like up to have a lifted effect, just like what I did with the concealer. Basically just there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. It was kind of dark. We'll fix it. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on my forehead. I'm just gonna bring it down on the sides. I've never fully contoured my nose, but I wanna try. Let's see how it goes, okay? Okay. Then I'm gonna just apply some with the reverse of this brush, some concealer in the middle of my nose. Those lines, they're not good, okay? They're not good. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna blend her out with this buffing brush. I don't know. Yeah. You wanna drag it up though. Can you see how perfect it just blends in? Oh my god, it looks so good. I don't know if you're gonna do the same thing on the side. I don't know if it's gonna blend perfectly because I did put quite more than the side, but we'll just see, okay? Yeah. It's nothing some concealer and powder can't fix. Anyways, I blend it out and I'm gonna do the same with my forehead. Okay, I love the warmth that it's giving to my face. It's like not too dark and not too light also. Oh my god, I love. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Now is the tricky part, okay? The nose. We're just gonna try. Let's try though. Okay, so far so good. It's getting somewhere. And then I'm just gonna blend the concealer out with my sponge. Okay, I just want a bit more seamless blend on this side, so I'm gonna blend more here because obviously we put a lot more on the side. I'm just gonna blend it all together so that they could blend together. Honestly, I love how it's looking so far, so I'm gonna grab some powder. This is the MAC Studio Fix powder. My shade is NC43.5. Like the previous one, I'm gonna take this kind of powder brush And I'm just gonna powder my whole face, but first obviously the under eyes to make it more smoother. I don't know if you guys can see, but it makes the biggest difference ever. Like, can you guys see how smooth this is already? Like, it's less shiny than the side. So yeah, it really looks so nice. And I'm gonna powder the rest of my face, just light powder. Obviously you guys know I'm oily, okay? A girl is oily, we can't help it. Now that we're powdered and looking all faced up, if I can say that, next we're gonna do some, obviously I just want some eyeliner because we're not gonna go with anything too much, I think. Okay, just chill. So I'm grabbing this palette by Giorgio Armani. Fancy. It's just a black eyeshadow. It's called Eyes to Kill, up in the shade Obsidian. It's like this. I don't know where the brush is from that, but anyways, I'm gonna do a wing liner because like I want a soft wing and not a hard wing, a harsh. Anyways, I'm gonna start with my wing and drag it out. I'm using the tip of the brush that is to the corner of my eye. And obviously we can clean up here and there if we don't like it. But I love how like less harsh eyeshadow is compared to like eyeliner. Like eyeliner is quite harsh, so we'll just use eyeshadow. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing. I swear the most tricky part is getting eyeliner to look the same because I'm not a pro with that. Okay, I'm not a pro. We just estimating and hoping for the best. And like I said, obviously I'll clean up here and there if I want to. Okay. And then nowadays I just love like bringing the eyeshadow like in the corner to make it look like a cat look, I guess. So that's that. And that side, I like it. I am gonna clean up the side of my eyes with some concealer. Just like that. Okay, just like that. See? Just like that. And then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm taking chances here, bro. I'm taking chances. Okay. She's looking okay. I just need a close-up mirror. I need a close-up mirror. Okay, she looks fine. Okay, now I'm gonna start with some mascara. Who doesn't have a good mascara? Okay, I'm gonna do the edges of my eyes only because I just want that cat lift, like I said. Okay, It's not opening. It's not opening. Okay, there we go. Oh, by the way, this mascara is from Scarlet Hill. It's the triple threat mascara. It's a 3-in-1 mascara that turns in the way up, lengthens, curls, and volumizes. So that's a good mascara. Like I said, I'm just focusing on the outer part. There we go. And I'm going to do the same on my other eye. Okay, I love the way it's looking so far. And then, we're almost done, guys. We're almost done. I'm gonna get our bright color lipstick. Of course, this is what we've been waiting for. I'm gonna get a brush first so I can outline my lips. I'm just gonna outline my lips a bit. I mean, what holiday look is complete without, you know, a bright lip, okay? Especially a red one. I'm just going to keep it like in a straight line going down to the corner of my lips. And then I'm going to overline a bit in the front. Just because we can. Okay, now that she's lined, we're gonna apply our lipstick. I know I look weird now. We're getting there, okay? Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I mean, who doesn't love a bright red lip, okay? Who doesn't? And especially in this time of the year. I almost forgot bronzer. Who forgets bronzer, guys? Who forgets bronzer? I'm just gonna bronze my skin a bit. This is from MAC also. It is the Flare for the Dramatic. Okay, and I'm going to bronze my skin. Okay, so I see this bronzer has a bit of a sheen in it. So we don't need some highlighter because we're already shining for the gods, okay? And I guess this look is done, guys. What do you guys think? I think it's really cute. So yeah, our holiday glam look is complete. If you guys did like this look, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I actually like it. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. I really like it. I never ever thought of doing my makeup like this, but now that I look at it, I actually like it, and I think I'm getting better at doing makeup. So I like it a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I love you guys. Peace.